You're now being aware this is Alexis Hughes. Draw number 163, Jody Larkins, see your own day.
I want you to know, and I want you to know right now, you're good to me, baby.
And the numbers will go to a 15,689.